like it's just all being printed and made up. Gold is something you can actually hold in your hands. You got to call my friends at the Oxford Gold Group now. You can have real gold and silver delivered right to your home just like I did. I'm talking about real gold and silver arriving at your doorstep. If you think buying gold is complicated, trust me, it's not. Call my friends at the Oxford Gold Group. They'll explain everything to you. They'll take you through the whole process, and they'll make sure that you get set up the way that's best for you. You can have real gold or silver delivered to your home or have real gold as part of your IRA. It's just a phone call away. Give them a ring right now, 833-404-GOLD, and learn how you can have real gold in your IRA and delivered to your door. That's 833-404-GOLD, 833-404-GOLD.
Humbled to walk in the footsteps of a legend, Clay Travis and Buck Sexton on the EIB Network. News Radio 1170 WWVA.
Financial advisors. Remember when your job was fun? I'm Ron Kraszewski, CEO of Stifel. And at our firm,
that can injure and kill workers.
Description that I'm only high maintenance at the movie theater. Oh, I want half the popcorn, then the butter, then the salt, then they shake it up, and then the other half of the popcorn. They don't